Dear student, today we are going to discuss about palpation technique of thoracic spine. In cervical and lumbar spine, suppose this is a vertebra, spinous process in cervical and lumbar vertebra is straight in the same plane where transverse process is present. Suppose this green mark is the transverse process and this is spinous process. In cervical and in lumbar spine, in cervical and lumbar spine, the level of transverse process and level of spinous process are in the same line. But in cervical and thoracic spine, transverse process and spinous process are in the same level. And during palpation, we palpate on the spinous process and assume that we are on the same vertebra or the transverse process. Like from posterior view, in the cervical, suppose this is a spinous process and around 2 centimeter lateral on the same level we are on the transverse process of same vertebra. But this is for cervical and same for lumbar vertebra, because spinous process and spinous process is always straight, and if we palpate spinous process we are on the same vertebra. But in case of thorax it vary from vertebra to vertebra. In thorax, to understand this, we follow rule of 3. Rule of 3 means divide the thoracic vertebra in the combination of 3. Means this 1, 2, 3, then next 3, then next 3. This T1, 2 and 3, second group T4, 5, 6 and T7, 8 and 9. In thoracic vertebra 1, 2 and 3, the level of spinous process is on the same level of transverse process. Means, suppose this green mark is a transverse process and this is a spinous process. Suppose if we join a line between, this is on the same line, on the same line, on the same line. So the level of spinous process and transverse process are in the same line. Thoracic vertebra T4, T5 and T6, the spinous process go down, down and reach the distance between same and lower transverse process. Means this spinous process move down and reach to the line between half the distance between these two transverse process. Suppose this is a vertebra this is a mark of transverse process. So spinous process of T4 vertebra move down and reach half the distance between T4 and T5. And in case of 7, 8, 9 vertebra, spinous process move down, down and reach the transverse process of lower vertebra. So it is supposed like that. Transverse process. Suppose this is the level of transverse process. So spinous process of our vertebra move down and reach the transverse process of lower vertebra. So in this way we divide thoracic spine in group of 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this transverse process of T7 is on the spinous process of T7 on the level of T8, and spinous process of T8 vertebra the tip reach up to the transverse process of T9. In this way we divide the vertebra in 3 segments: T1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. And this last 3 vertebra, this T10 vertebra behaves like a this 7, 8, 9 vertebra, means spinous process of T10 vertebra is on the level of transverse process of T11 vertebra. And this T11 vertebra behaves like middle group. T11 means spinous process of T11 vertebra move down and reach up to the half the distance between T11 and T12. And this last T12 vertebra behaves like a upper group, means spinous process of T12 vertebra is on the same level of transverse process. So this is a basic concept to understand the palpation of the thoracic spine. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.